Ding New DN1008 T2 Series Automatic Pocket Welting Machine. Ding New Technology Automation, with continuous research and development, has more than 20 patents. Appearance is that streamlined design, elegant and nice. Fully automatic working procedures, high precision and high efficiency. Sewing patterns can be edited easily according to personalized demands. Servo motor drives and controls each procedure accurately. Higher production efficiency, wider application, wider working area, X-axial 100 to 200 millimeter, Y-axial 10 to 40 millimeters. Special model, X-axial can be prolonged to 300 millimeters. Adopting 100-watt laser head for cutting. Fully automatic pocket edge folding, no need for ironing, improve the productivity. Fast running, low noise. The bar tacking in both ends could be set by program. All the procedure can be finished quickly, save time, save labor, save cost. Key parts adopting imported parts, improve the stability of the machine, and prolong its service time. Change mold. Combined with the rapid mold changing craft, it greatly reduced the time of changing molds. Double mold procedure can be shifted automatically under programming. Fully automatic, non-ironing pocket edge folding mechanism using air cylinder automatic edge folding technology. Inner presser frame automatic retracting mechanism can be adjusted to fit variant pocket edge stitches. Cloth feeding will not affect the working of machine. It greatly improved the degree of automation. It is suitable for sewing various real pocket, fake pocket, including feather pocket, t-shirt pocket, etc. Second time pocket sewing, sport pant zipper pocket sewing, all can be finished in one time. Ding New Technology creates a leader in sewing automation.